This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for April 10th, 2018. Corn market today down 1 to 1.5. Soybeans today up 2 3/4 to 5 cents, with November leading the charge. Chicago wheat up 1 to 3. Minneapolis steady to down 1/4 cent. Kansas City down 1 cent. Crop report really the feature today. USDA came out forecasting the U.S. numbers for corn at 2.182 versus trade expectations of 2.189 billion bushels, right in line with expectations. Basically a decrease in feed use of 50 million bushels was really the story there, along with a 5 million bushel decrease in food and food and seed. So that was the story there. Soybeans market was expecting 574 million bushels. We got a 550, so we're about 5 million bushels less. USDA come in here and increasing crush and decreasing the residual and seed a little bit, and net result was really a nothing report, but a little bit below trade expectations there in soybeans. Wheat market came slightly above expectations at 1.064 versus trade expectations of 1.034, so about 30 million more bushels there. I think in the world numbers, that's maybe the bigger story. Argentina down to a 40 million metric ton crop. Brazil up to a 115 million metric ton crop, so a 7 million metric ton decrease in Argentina, 2 million metric ton increase in Brazil. So Argentina, kind of the story as to why beans were stronger early, kind of fizzled back, as this is kind of an old story here and we need something new to really grab onto. And weather's not helping the situation, but we're struggling to really put that to reality quite yet because it's a little early. I realize the 2-week forecast is cool and wet, but the market is looking at Iowa, southern Illinois as well, parts of Missouri, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas that are moving forward with a rapid pace in those areas. As you look to the world numbers, wheat came in at 271 million metric tons. That's up from trade expectations. Corn at 197.78, right in line, and soybeans a little bit below at 90.80. Market was expecting around a 92 there, and that just reflects the Argentine number coming down that extra 2 million metric tons. So at the end of the day, what do we have? In our opinion, a topping action here between 1052 and 1082 in November soybeans. In the corn market, still verdicts out. We'll watch the weather closely, and same thing for spring wheat. But 402 resistance is stiff right now for July corn. If we break that, we open up counts to 428. So those are the areas we're looking for old crop corn, and really kind of trust in our seasonal selling pattern. Give us a call for details. We can help you through that. Feeder cattle today down 25 to up 37.5. Live cattle up 77.5 to down 45. Hog market up 60 to down 65. So a mixed day, cattle and hogs. Not a lot of news there. We'll be watching export, tariff talk, those type things as we work ahead. But as we've said, choppy trade for the near term in the cattle and hogs. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.